The following film is a film. It is loosely based on turkeys and is meant to be totally real.
Holidays. The whole world loves them. There's so many.
This is Halloween.
The one thing they all have in common? TV on demand! It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the doorknob.
Turkey paradise.
Now, I don't want to go toot my own horn, but...
And chicken. And that's Paul. He likes my daddy. Yay! And that's Seagull likes my daddy.
I've got buggy 49880 teeth.
What is this?
One night, it's thrown out of the orphanage for being
who you are and doing things you love.
Man! Whoa!
Hi, I'm Freddy Fazbear, and welcome to Pizza.
Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
That's our mission. Not to save 10 turkeys or even 100, but all of them.
Imagine you could travel back in time to a time long before man. Back across 65 million years. As you travel, you would see huge changes in the vegetation and the climate. Even the surface of the Earth itself would move as mountain ranges are pushed up by colliding continents.
Are you British?
What is that? Ow! It's a map, you idiot! A map. What is that? Ow! It's a map, you idiot! A map. What is a map? It's a Shiba Inu.
Oh, not this DDD. I need a fire claw with that dick.
Cranberry sauce.
I hope you die in the fire!
It's called sound diversion.
Highly evolved brains. Ow!
Something's wrong. They shouldn't be this far north.
What, those are some kind of angry birds. What is it?